Okay, yeah, so that's all working. Right, okay. So what we are doing today is a revision lesson. Okay, we've done all of this before last year, and it will lead us into tomorrow's lesson where we'll be using Venn diagrams to problem solve. So today we're just revising set theory and Venn diagrams. So a set is a collection of terms, often written inside curly brackets. Okay, so you could be told that set A is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, with all these questions, they always sort of tell you what numbers are involved in the total question. So in other words, if you've got that rectangle around a Venn diagram, which numbers have to be placed somewhere. Okay, now think of this as all the numbers that are in your universe. They're the only numbers that count for that question, and that's called the universal set. And if you remember, that's that sort of capital E, which is all sort of swirly, like on the screen. So let's go through a let's just go through the example on the board. So example 1, let's go and say that our universe is the numbers 1 to 10, and set A is going to be all the even numbers. Then obviously we would just do 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And numbers less than 4 would be 1, 2, and 3. Easy peasy stuff. Now the complement of a set, and that's represented by, say, for example, A dash. That's all the numbers that are not in A. All right. So with this question here, because we've said 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are in A, then the complement of A is all the numbers in our universal set. So from 1 to 10 that are not 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that's going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And obviously the complement of B is just going to be the numbers that are in our universal set, which are not 1, 2, and 3. So that's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So easy peasy stuff on that slide. Okay. And then just the other example, just to remind you how the bits and pieces work on the right. So let's first of all do the stuff on the left. So we've got a new universe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the even numbers there would just be 2, 4, and 6. Numbers greater than 3 would be 4, 5, and 6. The complement of A is the ones that are not in A but are in our universe. So 1, 3, and 5. And the complement of B, well, look at B and it's all the other numbers. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Now, looking at the purple stuff on the right, that upside down U, remember that means intersection. That means that you're in both A and in B. So go and have a look on the left. A's 2, 4, and 6, B's 4, 5, and 6. So which numbers are in A and in B? Well, that's obviously 4 and 6. Now, union, on the other hand, means that you're in A or in B or in both. So A's 2, 4, and 6, B is 4, 5, and 6. So being in either A or B or both is going to be 2, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I think that is pretty much the skills you need to give this worksheet a go. If I've missed anything, then I will address that as you're doing the worksheet. So I'm going to stop the recording now. I'm anticipating this will be quite a quick one today, whereas tomorrow's would be a bit more complicated. Okay, so I'm just going to stop the recording, which I've done.